Hey everybody, this is Jim, and I want to take a few minutes just to explain our syllabus for ALEC 202. So as you open it up on Canvas, you'll notice on the front page our textbook, which is Leadership Theory and Practice by Nordhaus. 8th edition. We'll be reading this textbook each week, as well as watching short videos that Nordhaus has put together to explain both leadership theory and practice. This is a course that is designed to help you think about leadership theory and the way leadership has been researched and tested and the way it works, and also leadership practice and how we apply that to work settings, school settings, organizations. So our main objective in this course is that by the end you will become good at analyzing human systems, which can be families, work organizations, school organizations, but you will become better at analyzing those human systems from a leadership perspective and being able to propose training, developmental solutions to help those organizations operate more effectively. So this is a lifetime to learn how to analyze organizations and understand good leadership and how it works and how that organization can perform better. But we're hoping in this class, as you learn some of the key leadership theories of how the relationships and the organization of leadership works, and that you'll be able to apply them in case studies with real live organizations, that you will become better at understanding leadership and not only how to be a better leader yourself, but how to analyze organizations to improve their leadership. So the course is set up to be 2/3 individual and 1/3 done together as a group. There'll be weekly quizzes. There's weekly reflections. And on Canvas is a folder on those reflections which spells out specific instructions with a rubric. And I would encourage you to read that so you can understand what's expected of you each week in the reflection. There is a theory matrix that you will fill out through the semester as we go, and that matrix becomes the basis of a final concept map that you present on all the leadership theories. Then there is a midterm case study and a final case study where you work together in a group, learning to apply the leadership theories to actual organizations. So I'm going to flip down to the schedule. You can read the rest of the syllabus, but just to help you understand how the course goes, each week is a different unit. So there's an intro unit and then a different leadership theory or approach that we discuss each week. The trait approach, the skills approach, behavioral approach, transformational leadership, and so on. And each week, the key dates for you are Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And so you will complete the reading, and then there is a quiz that is due by Tuesday of the week. Then on Thursday and Sunday is when you're engaging in the discussions or the activities. There's both, or posting videos. And then on Sunday, there is due a reflection on that week's unit. And then starting Monday, we go to the new unit. So that gives you an idea of the weekly schedule. The details on the assignments as far as the theory matrix and the final concept map and the case studies, all the instructions for those are on Canvas as well as examples, and I'll be posting short videos to explain them as well. Again, I'm really looking forward to you being a part of the course, and I'm looking forward to our journey together as we learn about both leadership theory and leadership practice.